Hi, so there's this amazing book in digital computer electronics, promptly named Digital Computer Electronics. In this masterpiece of a book by Albert Paul Mabino and Gerald Brown, you get to see the foremost computer architectures of its time, the 8080, 6502, and C80 microprocessor units. And although this book does get you through the basics of digital computer electronics, for example, gates, flip-flops, registers, and memory, it goes all the way so as to propose advanced computer architectures. And there's also a simple computer architecture that you get to see in this book. It is called the SAP architecture, and its first version, SAP-1, is actually quite simple. You have a limited set of instructions: load, add, subtract, output stuff on the register, on the output register, and of course hold. But it doesn't mean that it has to stop there. And of course, there are more thorough implementations of the SAP-1 architecture. Now, there's a good reason why I got to find this amazing book, and it is of course thanks to Ben Eater's absolute masterpiece, 8-bit Breadboard Computer. You get to see in this whole series of videos, get to see Ben Eater make a computer from scratch just by using the breadboard, integrated circuits, passive elements, and so on. And it does get you the most complete, maybe the most hands-on experience in YouTube regarding computer design, because you not only get to see Ben Eater wiring all the elements, but you also get to see the datasheets and whole explanations on it. You can follow along for free, and trust me, this is one of the best resources that you have in YouTube if you are ever looking for a refresher in digital electronics or digital computer design. Now, there's something else to it. Of course, you have the Banner website, and you can buy the Breadboard Computer kit for this amount. Well, it might get cheaper, hopefully in a few months, but that's the expenses. And if, of course, if you are creative and you have the money, you can follow along with the videos and make this computer by yourself. There's of course the issue of those who don't want to uh, spend this amount of money, because you can go through this series, you can watch it along. But the idea of this video is, of course, to answer the question: is there a way that you can follow the Banditer computer series without having to waste that much money? The answer is yes. You can make this computer from your home without having to buy electronics elements. And the way to do it is by using the Multimedia Logic platform. So what you see right here as an SAP computer replica, pretty much a modified version of the computer Banditer made on a breadboard series. And it's wired in quite a similar way. It does go all the way to conditional jumps, and although it has subtle differences regarding microcode, I'm really proud to tell you that it actually works. And I've decided to share this to you so you get a chance to enjoy the Band Eater series without having to buy any elements. Now, before I finish, I must be honest, I was actually frustrated with this project. It didn't work, and it was at the end thanks to James Larson's website and some of the projects he left us. Although he passed away in 2015, this website is still available. You can go and download these beautiful programs, which are actually complex. It's taken me a little bit of time to grasp them, but it does show you that multimedia logic is an incredibly powerful platform. And just to show you that it actually works, I'd like to show you the triangular number sequence. Enjoy.